In this video, we're going to be talking about 4 privacy settings to turn on or off on your iPhone. So this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. The first one we're going to be talking about is going to be personalized ads. I totally don't like this because it is going to go ahead and allow Apple from using your activity for targeted ads. You can actually prevent it, and if you're wondering how, simply head into your settings just like that, and then simply head into privacy and security right over here. And once you're in this page, simply scroll all the way down until you find Apple advertising and then turn this personalized ads off right over here. The second we're going to be talking about is going to be analytics and improvements, which is going to stop your device from sending usage data to Apple. All you need to do is head back into your privacy and security tab and look for analytics and improvement and turn this share iPhone analytics off. So there you go. That is as simple as that. The third one we're going to be talking about is going to be significant locations. As iPhone is going to be tracking your places you visit often. And in order to go ahead and turn that off, simply head into your privacy and security one more time. And once you've done that, click on the location services and then simply go ahead and turn this off right over here as well. You can also simply go ahead and turn off significant locations and show on right over here on share my locations. The final one we're going to be talking about is going to be app tracking, and we need to get into privacy and security again and then head straight into tracking and turn this off as well. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.